Here's how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Now, if you're on Facebook Messenger on your iPhone, or if you have an Android or a computer, it works the exact same. I'll walk you through those steps. Let's say in this case, I wanted to restrict somebody. I can go to their profile and tap at the very top. And from here, you'll be able to see at the bottom, it says restrict. So let's say I tapped on that and it says it moves the chats out of sight, hide the activity, and you can unrestrict them at any time. Keep in mind, when you do this, they don't get notified. However, if you wanted to unrestrict them, you most likely are not on their profile. So let's just go back here and you can see it's been removed. We can get to the restrictions list by getting to the settings. So you can see menu at the very bottom right. Keep in mind, depending on your device, it might be at the top right or top left. And then from here, all we're going to do is get into our settings. Now, you can see privacy and security midway down. That's what we're going to want to choose. And now from your settings, you can see reported chats and hidden contacts. But what we're going to do is scroll down under who can reach you. There is the restricted accounts. Let's tap on that. And there is that person. All I need to do is tap on them. And then you can see at the very bottom, it says you restricted this person. They can't see when you're online or message you. But all you need to do is hit unrestrict. And just like that, you can start messaging back and forth with them once again.